we're dividing things up into 5 rough categories. We'll talk about the analogy, self-control as a muscle, developmental differences between adult dogs and adolescent dogs, lifestyle factors. There's lots of nuggets buried in this section. Then we're going to get into some practical demonstrations of warm-up, workout, and cool-down strategies for your dog while you're focusing on building some self-control. And then we'll talk about some management decisions. Okay, moving on. Overuse leads to breakdown. Muscles, self-control, same thing. If you just go crazy hard at the gym, you're exercising constantly, you're going to get injured, you're going to get fatigued. It's going to play against your long-term goals. And that's the same thing with self-control. If you're restricted a lot, it's not building self-control, it's building up to a fiery explosion. At some point, it's going to happen, right? So too much of a good thing tends to backfire in almost every scenario that I can think of. And then our final point is progressive loading is used to build strength. That's muscle strength and self-control strength. So we want to build in layers, build in success, and build gradually, amping up the challenge as our learner tells us they are ready. On the flip side, you might have a dog who's already wound up. I like to meet them where they're at, so a little extra movement to begin with. Tossing some cookies. Okay, buddy, let's get some energy out. And then we're going to gradually reduce those movements. We're calming through it, just sliding down the arousal scale a little bit here. So he's still moving, but it's cookies from my hand. Then a little less movements. First thing we have to do is teach the dog the path to reinforcement. The concept that a little bit of self-control actually gets you the thing you want. You don't just take it, offer that little self-control, and it buys you that thing you want.